Lecuona finishes third on the second day of the Catalonia World Superbike Test, so does this mean that Honda's back at the front end of World Superbikes? During the Catalonia World Superbike Test, Lecuona seemed to make a pretty steady start to proceedings, finishing outside of the top 10 on day 1. However, on the second day he finished third overall. Although rain fell before the end of the day, it's great to see Honda up towards the front of the World Superbike grid once again. Given he seems to be adapting to the World Superbike really well, and the Honda seems to be moving forward as well, does this mean that Honda could be more towards the front of the grid more consistently, or is this just a flash in the pan? Lecuona told WSBK.com, "It was very positive, for sure. I finished third in the morning in dry conditions. Day by day I feel better with the bike, I'm more comfortable and I can ride with my style. In general, I am very happy in dry conditions. In wet conditions, it was a bit more difficult as it was my first time riding with the Pirelli tyres, the bike, and also the team's first time riding with Showa suspension in the wet. We need to work harder for sure. We are happy. It's special to finish third with everybody on track. We showed the speed and the level to fight for a top position. When I arrive in Aragon, we will see what happens. For sure, it will change the position a little, but the important thing is we can go fast, and it's very important for me and the team." Xavi Vierge, Lecuona's teammate, finished the test 8th overall. The Honda has obviously been improved over the winter, but two of the more obvious changes from the outside is the change to Showa suspension from Öhlins. Don't forget that the Kawasaki race team also runs Showa suspension. The Honda World Superbike team has also moved to Nissin brakes from Brembo last year. This is now the same as the British Superbike team, who have also been running Nissin for many years. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is just a flash in the pan and Honda are going to struggle? Do you think that this could be the start of the turnaround for Honda and World Superbikes? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you like this content, give it a like or a subscribe, because that really helps what I do.